Hi everyone. Today we will move to our next chapter, chapter number 7, experiment with water. Let's start. First topic is what floats, what sinks. Through these lines you will get an idea about float and sinks. Aisha was waiting for dinner. Today Ammi was making her favorite food, puri and spicy potatoes. Aisha watched as her mother rolled out the puri and put it in the hot oil. She saw that at first the puri sank to the bottom of the pan. As it puffed up, the puri came up and started floating on the oil. One puri did not puff up and did not float like the others. On seeing this, Aisha took some dough and rolled it into a ball. She flattened and put it in a bowl of water. Alas, it sank to the bottom and stayed there. Children, think what would happen if Aisha put a puff puri in a bowl of water? Would it sink or float? Is it sink? No, it would float in water. So children, let us make a list of things that float in water and sink in water. Certain objects that sink in water, certain objects that float in water. Like ceramic bowl, empty bottle, pin, soap case, etc. We usually think that objects that heavier in water that sink. Objects that lighter in water that are float. Let's consider the first ceramic bowl and a small pin. We know a bowl is heavier than the pin, but the pin is sinking in water and bowl is floating in water. Why it happened? It's because of its density. Did you know the term density? I will explain. If an object has a higher density than the liquid, it will sink. If it has a lower density, it will float. Density is determined by an object's mass and volume. Like a definition, density is how tightly packed the particles are in an object. So page number 61, you have an activity. Some things to be put in water. Then there is 2 columns. First one is your guessing. First you write with your guess. Second one is actually what happened after the experiment. If it float or sink. Okay. Next topic is it magic? When Aisha woke up in the morning, Amme had fever. Abbu made some tea and went to give medicine to Amme. He told Aisha, you boil eggs. Also put some salt in the water. Aisha took water in a pot. By mistake, she put too much salt in the water. She saw the eggs at the bottom of the pot come up a little and start to float in water. What do you think the egg floated in salty water? What is the reason? When we are adding salt, the egg start to float because the water become more thicker. The water become more thicker when we are adding salt to the water. Next we are discussing about Dead Sea. Do you heard about Dead Sea? We know all oceans and seas have salty water. The saltiest of all is the Dead Sea. Can you imagine how much salty? It's 300 grams of salt in 1 liter of water. Would you be able to even taste such salty water? No. It would be very bitter. Interestingly, even if a person does not know how to swim, she would not drown in the sea. She will float in water, as if lying down on it. It's all because of the amount of salt make the water much thicker. Next, what dissolved and what did not. On Sunday, Aisha's cousin brother Hamid came to her house to play. As soon as he came, he asked his son to make his favorite sweet dish. Ammi said, let me come back from the market, then I will make some for you. Mom told to them, you just help me. Take 2 glasses of water and put a bowl of sugar in it. Mix till it dissolves. Hamid thought, let me finish this work first. Then I will watch TV. Here, can you help to Amit for quickly dissolving sugar? Any idea? Yes. Continuously stirring the mixture. This is the one way. Next, on low flame stirring the mixture. In these both ways, we can dissolve sugar very fast. Next, on page number 64, you have another activity. It's an experiment. For the experiment, you will need 4 to 5 glasses or bowls, glass or bowl, whatever it may be. Then spoons, water, and the things listed in the table, like salt, soil, chalk powder, and 1 spoon milk, then oil. Take some water in each glass or each bowl. Then observe what happens and note in the table. After completing the experiment, you just try to answer the question given below the table. Okay. While doing the experiment, Aisha and Hamid had an argument. Aisha felt that after stirring it, the oil dissolved in water. Is it possible? But Hamid did not agree. He said, look, the tiny yellow oil drops can still be seen in the water. Aisha said, let's wait for some time and then see. Do you think the oil got dissolved in water? No, the oil never got dissolved in water. We already said that the oil does not get dissolved in water. It just floats on the water. Okay. Next topic is rising drops. Listen, Aisha put 2 drops of oil on the lid of her tiffin box. Next, she put 2 drops of water and then 2 drops of sugar solution. She tied the lid. She saw some drops slid down quickly while some were left behind. Which one slid down quickly? Can you guess? Yeah, it's water. Next, where did the water go? One day, Aisha's mother put some water to boil on the stove for making tea. Can you make tea? Yes, very good. She got busy with something and forgot about it. When she remembered and came to check, she found very little water left in the pan. Think, where did the water go? Where did the water go? The water got evaporated. The water got evaporated. So, next we are discussing evaporation. Evaporation. Evaporation is the process, listen carefully, evaporation is the process of a substance in a liquid state changing to gaseous state due to an increase in temperature or pressure. Evaporation is the process of substance in a liquid state changing to gaseous state due to an increase in temperature or pressure. Now, can you say why did Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu keep their mango jelly in the sun? Why? When they keep their mango jelly in the sun, the water in it get evaporated. So why they are keeping their mango jelly in the sun? We all are very familiar with the Dandi March. This incident took place in 1930, before India became independent. For many years, the British had made a law that did not allow people to make salt themselves. They had also put a heavy tax on salt. By this law, people could not make salt even for use at home. How can anybody live without salt? No. Gandhiji said, how can a law not allow us to use freely what nature has given? Gandhiji with several other people went on a yatra from Ahmedabad to Dandi seashore in Gujarat to protest against this law. Do you know how salt is made? The seawater is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Water is allowed to dry in the sun. After the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. So children, suppose you have washed your handkerchief. then you want to dry it quickly. What all can you do to make it dry? Just think about it and write in your notebook. Okay. Next one, what things do you put in water to make tea? We know how to make tea. So, which thing do you put in water? Yeah. Next, which of those things dissolve in water? Try to find out. Next one, you have been given some mystery pieces. Mystery pieces means lumps of sugar. Suggest some ways to dissolve them quickly. We already discussed that in the previous section. So, that's all for today. Thank you.